what's up guys, welcome back to another video with me, Coach Ritika. And as the title of the video suggests, today I'm going to talk about the gym equipment that I have at my home. Now, I stay in a 3 BHK apartment and I have converted one room into kind of a home mini gym. And today I'm going to talk about where I have got those gym equipment as well as the cost of the product. So whenever I'm explaining the product, I'm going to mention the cost at the bottom of the screen, and you will find all the links from where you can buy those items in the description of this video. Now I have actually written those items in a list of in a paper so that I don't miss it out. Now please remember that when I started buying these equipments, I did not buy all those equipments at one go, because that can really put a hole in your pocket. I kind of added one item at a time as my workout routine started progressing. So when you feel that you really have the need, only then go and buy those equipment. Now the first thing which I want to mention is dumbbells. Now this is the first thing you should go for whenever you want to set up a home gym, because with a pair of dumbbells I can't even begin to explain how many exercises you can do. Now coming over here, I have these pair of dumbbells, 15 kgs. I got it from a local store in Hyderabad, and I also have these adjustable dumbbells, as you can see here. So I got them from SF Health Tech, and these are pretty easy to use. There are locks here. You can kind of adjust the weight based on the weight you want to go for. I have again added a link of this product in the description below. These are pretty handy to use and they are pretty good if you want to have adjustable dumbbells. Coming to the second thing, which I think is very important if you want to get your home workout to the next level, is a resistance band. Now again, resistance bands are super cheap and they are very handy. You can carry them wherever you want, and I have got both these items from Amazon, and again I have added the link in the description, and the prices are in the screen below. Coming to the third item, which I believe is super important, is a pull-up bar. Now there are two types of pull-up bars. One is you actually need a screw, grill and all those things to fix it on the wall, but these are like super easy to set up. You don't need any screwdriver or anything of that sort, and I got this from Decathlon. Okay, coming to the fourth item, barbells. Actually these are from a gym. I borrowed it and it belongs to my friend, so someday I will have to return them. But these barbell and plates, I got it from a local store in Hyderabad. Now see that you will find these plates and barbells on the online websites as well, but buying it from a local store is always I believe better, because you get it for a pretty cheap price. And these plates, like I got this barbell for like 4,000, and these plates like 180 per kg, something like that. And next thing on the item are these clips. Again, if you have a barbell and a plate, it's safe to have these clips at home. I got these from the same store I got the plates and the barbell. The next thing is yoga mat. Now I have 3 types of yoga mats, as you can see. Now this is a bit cushiony. It's like it feels comfortable on the skin, but it feels a little slippery. These two are not that doesn't have that foam, but they are pretty good, I believe. I literally love these yoga mat, and I use them every single day, and they are not slippery at all. They are very firm and they are good to use. Now next is a weightlifting mat. You need a weightlifting mat, guys, only if you have a barbell and a plate. If you don't have barbell and plates, I don't believe they are necessary. I got it from the same local store I got the plates and the barbell from, but this is basically from the brand Aerofit, and I'm pretty sure you will find it online as well. I will add the link in the description below. Okay, I also have these mats. Again, these I got it from the same store from where I got the plates and the barbell. I'm going to add this Amazon link as well. I'm pretty sure you will find this in Amazon as well. Okay, the next thing is crash pads. These are like life savior, guys, if you do Olympic lifting, especially snatches and cleans. And these are like very nice. Literally the impact that they take is like pretty good. Okay, I got them from Amazon again, and the best part about this is that you can stack them together and use them as a box as well. Okay. Alright, the next thing on the list is a kettlebell. Again, this kettlebell is rented for me. I got it from a friend of mine who owns a gym. And the next kettlebell that I have are this adjustable one. So you can literally adjust the weight of the kettlebell based on how heavy you want it to be. Very easy to use, and I especially recommend this for beginners because you can start with lighter weights, and as you get stronger and you get fitter, then you can keep adding the weights. Okay, the next thing on the list are these gymnastic rings. Now I got this from Amazon again. They are pretty good to use, except giving you guys a heads up that the first thing is that these straps are pretty rough. So the first day I did ring dips with a sleeveless shirt, I literally got rashes on the skin, so I had to go ahead and wear a long sleeve t-shirt the next time I had to do the ring dips. The second thing is these rings are also pretty rough. If you don't mind these two things, then these rings are pretty good. Okay, the next thing on the list is this squat stand. I got this squat stand from Yoga Fitness. You can actually adjust the height based on your height. It does the job. It was for 8,000, but I did not really like the delivery service because I received the product after like 2 months I ordered, and I literally had to follow up again and again. I had to remind them that I ordered a product, so it was pretty, you know what I mean. But they do the job. Also, the next thing is, as you can see, this is not very stable. It's moving, so I had to put these dumbbells and kettlebells here so that it's a bit stable and doesn't fall off. But yeah, for 8,000 rupees, I think it's pretty good because the rest of the squat stand that you will get in the market, it's going to be pretty high, the price of the squat stand. So this does the job. Okay, the next thing is a foam roller. Foam roller is very important for recovery. I use it every single day, and I got this from Amazon again. I'm gonna add the link in the description. The next thing is a lacrosse ball to open up those tight knots. Again, got it from Amazon. The last thing, second last thing actually, is this band, as you can see. Now if you are a beginner, you can definitely go for this band. You can literally do a ton of things like shoulder press, bicep curl, deadlift. So many things can be done with this band, and they are pretty handy. You can carry them whenever you want, wherever you want. So you can definitely go and buy this. Okay, the last thing is a jump rope. There are two types of jump rope. These are basically speed ropes because they are very thin and they move fast. I will add the link in the description below. Okay guys, this is it. I have mentioned all the equipment that I have in my home gym. Again, reminding you guys that don't just blindly go ahead and order a product and get it. Just make sure that you are going to use them, because there is nothing in my gym, like home gym, that I do not use. I use all of these products. So make sure again that you add the products one at a time, because this is going to cost you a lot. So if you don't want to, waste your money, just add one item at a time. Also, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you have any questions, drop in the comments below, and please share this video with as many people as you can. Help me reach more people. And yeah, I will be back in the next video.